What's up guys, Alessandro here and welcome to this tutorial video how to invest into MaxiDoge, this new Doge type of meme coin that right now is in the early access phase. I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can get some of the coins before the big launch, because this one currently is very hyped. Also here on this crypto website you can see that MaxiDoge now is getting mentioned, and right now I'm buying in and also I'm staking the coins because this one here is focusing into extremely high leverage and of course also extremely high API, so staking rewards. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel. I'm Alessandro, I'm updating you every day, whatever I'm buying, whatever I'm selling, whatever I'm doing here in the crypto space. So everything in this content, in this video, all the content I'm doing is no financial advice. I'm just here a dude on YouTube sharing everything that I'm doing with you guys. And today we're gonna buy into MaxiDoge, this new Doge themed meme coin. And if you want to get access to it, the link is here in the video description right at the top, guys. I'm gonna put it here because like that you're gonna end up on the official website, and here of course you can directly buy with some cryptos into this coin if you want, and of course also stake it. So this is a purely Doge themed meme coin, guys. It is a completely new one that currently is going viral. You can check it out here on their website. Also they have already a Telegram and also X account if you want to follow them. So let's click here follow. The community is small, over 4,000 followers, but this one launched just like a few days ago, and already here it is written that this is going to be a meme powered Dogecoin derivative with the focus on 1000x leverage trading. Of course, extremely high risk, guys, as always. And also here we have MaxiDoge will feature community contests and partner events to engage with its audience. Then we have the project offers high staking rewards to its early supporters, which is of course the key point why I immediately bought before doing any kind of researches, guys. So the only thing that you can do is here, of course, first of all select the language that you want, but you have to connect your wallet like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet Connect. All of them are supported, and then of course you can interact with the dashboard here, and you can see that they're just getting started. Every time that the countdown is going down to 0, the price per coin is increasing. Currently it's just a fraction of a cent. That's why here you can also buy thousands of them and then stake it for 1814% reward. So this one here is focused into staking. Many of other new meme coins that are out, like also token 6900 that I also bought, which I'm also bullish, have only 5% staking rewards here distribution, as you can see, based on the tokenomics. So if you're buying into this one here, for example, you have only 41% rewards. And the token 6900, it's also here, guys. That's also one of the most hyped new meme coins that are upcoming, this one over here. But MaxiDoge is focusing into basically giving early buyers a lot of rewards, and that has to do also because of the tokenomics. They are reserving a lot of coins only for the staking mechanism, and right now of course people are jumping on board to accumulate as many as possible and also immediately stake it. I just bought it like a day ago, and you can see that in one day I have like almost a half of my coins back. That means that even if this one is just going to launch at the same price as the pre-market phase, the early access stage, or even it's going to pump a bit at launch, I'm gonna have much more coins that I'm buying in right now. And that's why if you want to get on board into this one, don't overthink it too much, guys, because I think that we are in a parabolic bull run, or at least we are entering into a parabolic bull run. And also this is the chart for Dogecoin itself, and I think that once Ethereum and all those meme coins on Ethereum like Doge and so on are going to pump like crazy, also Pepe and so on. Of course, no financial advice, guys, everything can happen. It's also possible that this was a fake out and we're gonna crash down to 0. Who knows? Everything is possible, but in my opinion and in my expectations, I think that we most likely now are on the edge of breaking out to much higher highs. And also for Dogecoin, I'm very bullish. I think that also since we broke this resistance trend line, you can see every time that happened in the past, we had massive run-ups in the price, and this is exactly what I think will happen next. And usually, since I believe that we are more towards the end of this bull run than at the beginning, I think that during the last stage of this bull run, which also can take several months, will be the most parabolic one, not only for Dogecoin but for overall the crypto space. And that's why positioning now myself or yourself now into low market cap coins that are hyped, that are coming out in the next coming weeks and months, like this MaxiDoge, or also even token 6900. We also have others like Bitcoin Hyper and so on. We have so many coins that are upcoming during this stage, guys, and that's why right now I'm buying into all of them. You don't have to buy into all of them, maybe you just buy the ones that you like, for example, but it's always up to you. But I definitely would have some low market cap coins that are launching in the next coming weeks and months in your portfolio. Doesn't matter if you have if you like meme coins or not, but it's always good to have some of those new low market cap coins, especially when they are meme coins in your portfolio, and especially when they are so hyped, like right now also this MaxiDoge, Bitcoin Hyper, and so on. The complete list you're gonna find here in the video description, guys. I bought into MaxiDoge, and if you also want to get on board, here is the dashboard. You can buy with card or crypto, and then just connect the wallet, and you select here the token that you would like to invest, for example BNB, Tether, Ethereum, and so on. You put here the amount that you would like to invest. Those are the coins that you're gonna get, and then important, guys, click buy and stake for 1,813% rewards, because like that your coins goes into a staking mechanism. Those coins that you're buying in right now, they're gonna have a 7 days lockup period at launch, so keep that in mind. But the rewards that you're getting, they are immediately claimable, so there you have immediately access to them right at launch. And if you don't want to stake, you can of course also just buy Maxi without staking. That's also possible. But with this high API, and since they are focusing into this high API and staking mechanism, I would definitely buy with staking right now. Then when you click buy and stake, then a window will appear on your DeFi wallet, like we here on MetaMask, and then you just click OK to confirm the transaction and so on. And at the end, you will receive a purchasing successful message, and then you're gonna see the coins here locked on the website. Of course, you cannot claim them since they are not live yet. You have to wait until we can claim those coins, and keep in mind that this one has just started. So here you have to be patient. That's why buy and stake it and forget about it. And I will update you on this one, of course. Also, once we have the date of the launch and the claim of the tokens and so on, I'm gonna keep you updated. But also here we have basically a completely new meme coin that is coming out, dog themed, and that's why I currently am buying in, and of course because of the high API. All right, guys, that's it for now. This is how you can invest into MaxiDoge, and of course also into other new coins that are upcoming that are very hyped right now. And then we're gonna see what happens at launch. I keep you updated, and of course also be subscribed here on this channel, guys, because first of all, we're gonna do the next $100 giveaway worth of meme coins as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and also comment in every video, because the more active you are and the more I see you in my videos, the more likely it is that I'm gonna select you as the lucky winner of the next $100 giveaway. We have done already some giveaways. Now we're gonna do that in every 1,000 subscribers, and of course also follow me in my other social media platforms, all links in the video description. So thank you for watching, guys. This is MaxiDoge. I'm bullish about this new meme coin, and hopefully of course it's gonna launch when everything is going to go parabolic, in my opinion. So check it out, guys, links in the video description. Thank you for watching, stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.